Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another episode of Keigo Moriyama Photography for our section of 3D printed item for photography. So as I have introduced at the beginning of this video, today I want to present you this. What's that? Well, I'm sure that if you are a film photographer like me, it happens that when you have your negatives inside the negative holder, some of them are kind of difficult to pick them up, right? Well, this is the film puller. I just 3D printed thanks to Thingiverse, and I will link below the link to the item so that you can print by yourself as well. And I want to show you how simply it is. You just need to simply open a little bit the lid where you insert your film, and then just grab the holes. Wait a moment. Here I am. It's easy, right? I'm sure that you, like me, had lots of problems with this issue because every time you don't know how to pick up, and then you usually have your gloves with you, but you know, when you have to open it, sometimes you risk that it is broken. Or now I have here 5 to 6 frames, so it's kind of easy to reach, but sometimes, for example, it's only 4, it's really hard to take the film out. So I think that this is just a really super short video, but I'm sure that you will appreciate this puller that is really simple. You will print in a few minutes, and so far for today that's all for me. Till next episode, where I will present new items 3D printed for photography. Stay click. Bye.